what they did with that YouTube editor thing, you can put music and all that other stuff and just do it right there. But they say once they don't use it on the original one, because once you do that to the soundtrack, that's it. It's in these hybrid. Oh, look at that. Lily's in here checking things out. Yeah. For a moment. See, look. Look at me. Stay there. Stay there. Oh, there you go.